Hey, welcome back. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. In our last video, we talked about generating leads without all the hustle. Today, as promised, we're diving even deeper into this topic, focusing on how to scale those lead generation efforts efficiently and effectively. See, when it comes to scaling, the first step is to not add more tasks to your plate. Instead, it's about analyzing what's already working for you. Take a look at your top performing content, campaigns, and platforms. Are there certain posts or strategies that consistently drive engagement? Identifying these successes allows you to double down on what's already resonating with your audience. Now, scaling does not mean reinventing the wheel. It's amplifying what's effective. Focus on refining these winning strategies and scaling them up for broader reach. One powerful way to scale is through targeted paid advertising. Now, I know you're probably thinking ads can be expensive, but with the right targeting, even with a modest budget, can yield impressive results. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads let you narrow down your audience by interests, behavior, and demographics, which will help you to reach those most likely to engage. Experiment with different ad formats like carousel ads or video ads and track which one drives the best engagement. As you refine your approach, you'll be able to scale your budget gradually, knowing each dollar is effectively reaching the right people. To attract a larger audience, it is essential to offer something of high value. And here's a key. High perceived value does not mean high cost to you. A well-crafted ebook, exclusive checklist, or invitation to a live Q&A can be incredibly valuable in your audience's eyes without draining your resources. Identify pain points your audience faces and create lead magnets that provide real solutions. When people feel they're gaining something worthwhile, they're more likely to enter your funnel and engage with your content. Here's an advanced technique for reaching a wider yet relevant audience: lookalike audiences. By uploading your existing leads or customer list to the platform like Facebook, you can create audiences that mirror the qualities of your current customers, letting you reach new people who share similar interests and behavior. This strategy allows you to target people who are likely to be interested in your product or service, based on characteristics of those who are already in your ecosystem. It's a powerful way to scale efficiently and keep your engagement high. Another key to scaling effectively is to personalizing your follow-up. Instead of sending generic emails to your entire list, segment your audience based on interests, engagement levels, or buying behavior. This way, you can send tailored messages that resonate with each segment. For instance, new leads might get a series of welcome emails, while more engaged leads receive content related to their specific interest. By providing a personalized experience, you will keep your audience interested and engaged as you scale. To achieve sustainable growth, focus on building a community around your brand. This isn't just a group of followers. It's a group of people who feel connected to you and to each other. Platforms like Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups provide a space where your audience can engage deeply with your content and with one another. See, a strong community encourages organic growth as members invite others, share your content, and act as brand ambassadors. It's a scalable approach that turns leads into loyal fans who help promote your brand naturally. So, what's the takeaway? Scaling your lead generation efforts does not mean spreading yourself thin. It's about amplifying what works, leveraging advanced strategies like targeted ads, lookalike audiences, and segmented emails, and focusing on community growth to create sustainable momentum. With these strategies, you can expand your reach and bring quality leads without burning out. Remember, it's not about hustling harder, it's about scaling smarter. Ready to level up without the guesswork? Head over to freedomlifebusiness.com. Dive into a treasure trove of free resources, top-notch trainings, and powerful tools designed to fast-track your success. Don't wait. Your journey to freedom starts here. Now it's your turn. What strategies are you excited to try? Or what challenges do you face in scaling your lead generation? Drop me a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you're ready to go even further, check out my next video where I'll share techniques for fine-tuning your funnel and maximizing those conversions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.